finals, except in Game 6, medyo try to find the way against TNT. This time, sa finals, that serves as motivation for you.
Una-una, sana maging better yung team namin, sa ating coach team. Coach si Troy, na-injury ngayong game. So, we're hoping na makabalik din siya sa rest namin. And then, going to the finals, sabi ni coach team ulit na nawala si Kuya Jason, but intact pa rin ang Toronto Express team. Andun pa rin yung tendency na champion talaga sila yung defending champion. So, mindset ko lang is lagi naman lagi lang makatulong galing sa bench. So, yung first five namin, kailangan din makakuha ng rhythm para yung momentum tuloy-tuloy na mapapasok sa bench natin. So, sana maging better